Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division of two-digit numbers. We'll cover the essential steps to confidently tackle these problems. You'll learn to identify the dividend and divisor, then systematically work through the process. By the end, you'll be able to find your answer, including any remainder, and even check your work to ensure it's correct. This will build a strong foundation for more complex math. Before we begin dividing, it's crucial to set up your problem correctly. The number you are dividing, known as the dividend, goes inside the long division symbol. The number you are dividing by, the divisor, sits outside. Your answer, the quotient, will be written on top. Any amount left over after the division is complete is called the remainder. Now, let's walk through the core process. First, divide the initial digits of your dividend by the divisor to estimate the first digit of your quotient. Next, multiply that estimated quotient digit by your divisor. Then, subtract this product from the part of the dividend you just used. Finally, bring down the next digit from the dividend to create a new number and repeat these 4 steps. Sometimes, numbers don't divide perfectly, leaving a remainder. This is the amount left over, and it must always be less than your divisor. To ensure your answer is correct, you can easily check your work. Multiply your quotient by the divisor, then add any remainder to that product. The final sum should exactly match your original dividend, confirming your calculation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.